Thank you for watching. USCIS is changing how filing fees are paid. In a few minutes, we'll explain what's changing, how we keep payments secure, and how we'll guide you, step by step, so your case stays on track. What changed at USCIS? USCIS is phasing out paper checks and moving to electronic payments. Many filings can now be e-filed online, which often provides an instant receipt. Where e-filing makes sense and is permitted, our firm will do that for our clients. Others still require paper filing with an electronic credit or debit card, authorization, or ACH. USCIS used to let us send a check, but now wants us to provide credit card information with the paper filing, which can be difficult when clients' bank accounts have daily limit fees or other restrictions that prevent USCIS from charging them once getting their application in the mailroom. For T or U visa cases, there's currently no USCIS filing fee. So for our clients with U or T visa cases, this should not impact them at all currently. But for those with cases like green card replacements, marriage-based green cards, naturalization, and DACA filings, the new policy will mean a new method of paying government fees. What this means for you. For each case, we'll confirm whether your form can be e-filed or should be paper filed, if there is a filing fee required by the government. If it can be e-filed, we'll file together on a Zoom or Teams video call, and in rare cases, in our office in person, so that you can be online with us using your own phone or laptop for multi-factor authentication. If we can e-file, that Zoom or Teams video call or meeting might take an hour or two to complete everything. But the e-filing can be great for things like getting an instant receipt for your case. If the case must be paper filed, our firm will handle the payment authorization securely for you. And while we must have you pay the government fee to us, we have a trust account for that. Before we paper file, like always, we will now be submitting the online payment for you instead of writing a check to USCIS. It means sending a special form to the government in the package we mail to them, and it means the government won't charge our credit card until after they receive your case. We'll have to then track that payment and receipt separately for you. Our payment process for paper filing. For paper filings with fees, you'll pay the filing fee to our trust account. For example, you can pay that fee to us, like clients always have, by credit card, debit card, cash, check, or money order. After that, then we can directly pay USCIS using our business credit card. When USCIS charges the card and we have your official receipt, we complete internal reconciliation and share your receipt. Our payment process for e-filings. For cases we can e-file instead of mail by paper, that will, as I mentioned, be done with a Zoom or Teams call online. For example, many N400 citizenship cases we can e-file online. The benefit to e-filing is an instant receipt, and you can also get to confirm your information with us in real time before that send button gets pressed. Additionally, if a case can be e-filed, we often find out about whether there will be a fingerprinting biometrics appointment or not right away. And if a case can be e-filed, the day we do it, you'll get to pay using your credit or debit card with us in real time, live, so there will not be a two-step transaction. That will be good for everyone. Security and signatures. When a wet ink signature is required on the payment authorization form for paper filings, the law firm provides that wet signature. Clients do not have to provide a wet signature on the payment form. Sensitive card data is handled securely by USCIS. Documents kept in your file are redacted to protect your information. When we e-file versus paper file. Many cases, like naturalization, DACA renewals, certain I-765, I-90, I-539, and I-131, and some standalone I-130s, can often be e-filed, which usually means faster receipts. Other cases, such as marriage-based adjustment packages, such as I-130 plus I-485 together, are typically paper filed. It's important to note that USCIS changes e-filing rules and systems frequently. We will advise you individually on the best and permitted path for your specific case. What you'll do, simple steps. 1, we confirm whether your case will be e-filed or paper filed. 2, you send us remaining documents that we request for your case. 3, if we are e-filing, we help you pay USCIS directly online during the filing process, on a Zoom or Teams video call, or rarely in our office with your own device for multi-factor authentication. We have piloted naturalization e-filing and it works well. Some clients receive same-day notifications with both the receipt notice and whether USCIS will schedule biometrics or reuse prior fingerprints, which will save you a trip to a USCIS office. 4, if we're paper filing, you pay the fee to our trust account. We then submit the payment securely to USCIS and track the charge and receipt for you. We also notify you when the receipts come to our office from USCIS, and you should get receipts at home too, directly from USCIS, since they send duplicates typically for paper filed cases. And 5, we send your USCIS receipt and keep you updated. You let us know if you get anything at home too. We keep in touch and monitor as usual. Quick, frequently asked questions. Question: can you guarantee how USCIS will process my payment or case? Answer is no. We cannot promise or guarantee any outcome. USCIS systems can have glitches, and a card charge can fail for reasons outside of anyone's control. What we can do is follow best practices to keep your filing organized, secure, and as smooth as possible under new rules. With paper filings and checks, USCIS made some errors in the past, so it could happen with e-filing or payment with the new credit card form that USCIS wants too. Errors with USCIS payments are rare, but if one happens, that's why the law firm is involved, to help. Question: I don't have a US credit or debit card. What are my options? The answer is that options depend on your situation. Some clients pay cash for filing fees to our trust account, and then we pay USCIS online. Some mail a cashier's check or personal check to our office for trust, and then we pay USCIS online. Some people may purchase a prepaid Visa or MasterCard at a store, so we can use it for the online USCIS payment. Another question: will e-filing always be faster? And the answer is often yes, especially for getting a receipt quickly. But each case is different, and USCIS can change systems. We'll guide you to the best option available at the time that we file. The government implemented this new policy thinking that overall, e-filing would be easier and more secure. Let's hope they're right. Closing. As USCIS transitions to electronic payments, our goal is to keep your process secure, efficient, and clear. When it's time to file, our team will walk you through the exact steps for your case, whether that's e-filing together on Zoom or Teams, or handling the payment for a paper filing through our trust account. Thanks for trusting us to guide you.